Well, I just finished 3D printing this 6-piece puzzle and I thought I might as well try and solve it on camera for you. It's called the half-hour puzzle. I'm hoping it doesn't take me that long to do it. The shape should go together to form a 3x3 cube. So I can already see, like, this is going to be a tricky one because it doesn't sit flush on the edges. One of these bits is going to have to go in the middle or sit flat on the top, like that. This one should be quite easy because it's flat. It can sit on the top at the end if it needs to, or it can go down inside a hole. So that's sort of like a filler piece. Maybe this one should go. It's this hook. Has to go somewhere that isn't going to leave an empty gap down here. So maybe like that. Then we got a bit of a filler space over here. Another flat piece that could go on the top. Could go down this side, but leaves a bit of an awkward zigzag. Maybe that one on there. Or up there. We're getting close, but not quite. Maybe we should start with these two instead. And build that one up. Yeah, see, that's not going to work because I've got too many odd shaped pieces left to go on top of that now. Unless maybe I turn it that way. Just squeeze that piece in there. One of those could go on there. Nope, that's not going to do it. Now I've got two pieces that need to go in there, but only one hole left on the middle layer, so that's not going to work. I used to do these kinds of puzzles all the time when I was a kid, but I guess I'm just a bit out of practice. Too much time playing with a laser cutter, not enough time playing with the puzzles. See, I find it's still this one. It's this one that needs to go somewhere that keeps it tight and kind of out of the way a bit. I think I've done that a few times now. That's probably wrong. What if I could do that as a start? I'm pleased with the quality of the 3D print anyway. These bits seem to fit together nicely. That in particular. It's snug, but it's not tight. I mean, the fact that those two go in and sort of click together means that that's probably wrong, but the fact that they can go in and click together means that it's been printed quite well actually. And it comes up quite square when you give it a little bit of a nudge. So I'm pleased with the print quality on them anyway. See, tucked into there, but again, one piece left over, bit too tall. That one can go around the corner. Oh, if only we had the L-shaped piece free. So I feel like sitting that in there puts too many flat pieces on top. I feel like we still need to have a bit of a gap at the top at this point. Otherwise we've got nowhere to build into. So what if that one went there? That one went there. And that one goes there. Voila! One puzzle solved. Not quite the full half hour, as promised by the half-hour cube, but I've got a bit of prior experience, so I'm pleased with that. I think it's a really nice little puzzle. I think the kids are going to spend a long time trying to figure that out tomorrow, but we'll see how they do in the morning. Maybe I'll get a video of them doing it as well.